You're good, you're okay. You're okay. Now go. Good job. Pick her up. Drop your hand. Drop your hand. Put your hand on the horn. There, that hand. There you go. Good. Now switch your hands. Drop your hand. There. Good job!
Next up in time only is Brittany Johnson.
Keep her going. Slide your hand down and turn her.
And you have 2 in a row, Brittany.